Look-see, a quick dive into the phrase. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, look-see. If you've heard this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. Look-see is an informal phrase, and its origins can be traced back to the 19th century. It is believed to be of Pidgin English origin. Pidgin English developed as a way of communication between English speakers and non-English speakers during trade in various parts of the world. The phrase, look-see, essentially means a quick examination or inspection. Imagine you want to briefly check something or take a glimpse of it. That's when you take a look-see. For example, can I have a look-see at your book? Before we decide to rent this house, let's take a look-see inside. It's a casual and playful way to say, take a look, or have a peek. Let's explore some sentences where look-see can be used. 1. I want to take a look-see at the new toys in the store. 2. Give me a moment. I just need a look-see to confirm it's working. 3. Before you wear those shoes, have a look-see to make sure they're clean. Remember, it's an informal phrase, so you might use it with friends or in casual settings rather than in formal writing or speech. And there you have it. The phrase, look-see, is a fun and informal way to express the idea of taking a quick glance or examination. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this phrase and can confidently use it in your conversations. Keep exploring the English language, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!